In this Lightboard session, we want to discuss how VMware Security is trying to help security operations centers to improve mean time to detect and respond. Consequently, what it helps to reduce the dwell time spent by your adversaries in your environment. Traditionally, what we have seen, every security operations center have very specific siloed dashboards. First could be for your endpoints, and that's where you have your laptops and desktop for your workforce, either on-prem or remote workforce. And the second one is workloads, and these are the ones, servers that are deployed either in your public or private cloud. This dashboard is very focusing on the operating system unusual behavior activities. So it could be the processes, it could be the DLL injections, it could be the file modifications, it could be the registry modifications. So once again, this dashboard is very focused on the operating system unusual activities. The second dashboard that we have seen is focused on networks. Now, networks can be split into two parts. One could be your edge network. That's where you have your edge network firewall. You might be inspecting all layer 7 application identification as well, so you're not just relying on the port and protocols. That's what traditionally we have called north-south traffic. That's what you are exposing your services to internet. So all the alerts related to web application firewall, load balancer are being considered for this dashboard. The second type of alerts from this dashboard will be generated for internal network traffic. So the communication between workloads. So that's where your network intrusion detection and prevention systems comes in. That's where network traffic analysis comes in. That's where you want to really get alerts for unusual activities for your network. So once again, this dashboard is hyper-focused for the network only. This third part is for mature SOC dashboards, where they are also looking at identity and access management. Now, why this is important? Because as we have seen with the rise of modern attacks, we want to get alerts for identity. Who is accessing what? Are they authenticated to access it? And also the access management. What device has been involved in this access? Does that device is compliant with security posture that you have decided? Now let's run a scenario. A SOC analyst see an alert that an endpoint have reached out to a malicious website and downloaded an executable and actually got hit by ransomware. Now they really need to take that information and actually correlate with the network dashboard and possibly identity and access management dashboard, where who was the user, which device was it, and trying to make this manual connections to triage that alert. We have seen in the industry where endpoint and network dashboards together are also considered as XDR. However, VMware Security approach is going a little bit beyond than that. We want to discuss and provide you the connected data points from these dashboards so that you have enriched information to triage that alert, to really reduce those false positive. And if it is a true positive, you want to contain that threat quicker, faster, and efficiently to reduce the widespread. All of this is possible with our VMware Threat Analysis Unit. So using the threat intelligence feeds across all VMware products, it actually really helps you to provide the enrichment of what we see in the wild in context for your organization. Threat landscape has ever been changing, and the attacks are getting sophisticated. This is where VMware's security vision is to modernize your SOC so you can triage those alerts faster, quicker, and effectively. Thank you for watching.